Let's talk about closing activities. But first, let us define closing. Effective closing contains one or more of the following elements presented: a definition of importance or meaning, planning or movement, and completeness. According to the Trainer's Advice 2012, the end of your presentation is one of the most important moments in a training program because participants generally remember what you said last or the recency of the information you convey. This is how you create a closing that defines their future. This will provide an opportunity to confirm the important message of your training program. 8 ideas to close your training session. Therefore, try using the following techniques that can be used to check the understanding or emphasize key information to the participants at the end of the session. First is the ball learning toss. At the end of the session, the facilitators will bring out a toy ball or any round object that will be tossed from one participant to the other. In a circular arrangement, the participants will be seated and will receive the toy ball, then each should share one or more essential information they have learned during the whole duration of the training. Future steps. Here, each participant must commit to an action that he or she will execute from now on, reflecting the spirit of the training. For example, a participant should commit time management training to obtain an agenda and set priorities to be followed in each day of their life. Third one is Q&A the expert. Before the training properly begins, the participants will be taught or asked to write a question they would like to answer through the training. At the end of the session, the assigned facilitators will mix the questions and the participants will answer each other's questions. Fourth one is quiz competition. Here, the participants will be divided in teams. Facilitators will create a crossword puzzle prior to training, and the puzzle must contain key information and ideas of the intended training. Each team will be provided a copy or materials of the puzzle, and who finishes first will receive an award or a prize. The fifth one is Future Me. Each participant must write at least one goal they would like to achieve this coming month. They must also write their full names and addresses where they can be contacted within a month. The trainer will gather these postcards and send them to the participants a month later to see if they have achieved their intended goal. Sixth one is the group moral. Tape on the wall approximately 4 flip charts. It depends on how many participants participate in the training. At the end of the training, the assigned facilitator will teach participants to draw or describe an element they learned during the course of the presentation. Each participant will ask to interpret each other's drawing or descriptions. Seventh is the star shine. As the activity ended, the facilitator asked each member of the team to mention a star they have seen with another member. The star is called the talent, gift, or contribution of a participant in the group. Make sure each member of the group gets a star moment. Facilitators may also suggest some stars they have observed during the training session. The last one is thank you. For participants to understand that a study is a complex process that can come through various resources, ask participant to thank others for the group, except the trainer. One might thank another if someone has helped him or her to better understand the aspect, or through his or her questions and comments in giving more ideas on the issue. One might say thank you, and the answer should be simple as you're welcome. Remember that effective openings bring students' mind to the workshop, link them to others and to the content, while effective closing brings students with the new knowledge or awareness they have gained as participants to continue to connect to its content. If learners recognize and celebrate what they live and recognize how useful it is to them, this possibility is to transfer to practice.